Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle. It's going to be really helpful if you've already done a Pretzel Walkaround, so link to that in the description below. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so let's break it down. Starts exactly like the Pretzel Walkaround. So we go back, we go left over the lady, right over the lady, drop the hand down, start walking for 1 and for 2. And this is where it changes. Where we would normally like slide away, what we're actually going to do is we're going to let go with the left, we're going to dip the right, use the lady's momentum to help generate a turn. As we do that, we're going to turn our connection to the lady in our right hand so that we're taking her palm to the right, take it down, she'll continue forwards, the arm will fold up behind her back, so it's got to be gentle. And if we leave that hand behind our back, as we continue to go round each other, she'll end up with her hand coming around pretty much back to where your hand behind your back is. So you're going to retake that hand. So we're now walking around in a slightly different position. This again could be as long a walk as you wanted to. But what's going to happen, guys, is we're going to duck. As the ladies continue around, we're going to turn to the right underneath, and we're going to twist the lady away from us by taking this hand around. And we're going to start the lady into a travelling return. So as the lady goes past our right, we start a travelling return, we hang on with the left, we continue around the back of the lady. So if you've ever done a basket pullback, you're doing a basket pullback on the fly here. As the lady continues around, she meets her own arm, we continue past the lady, pull back with the right release, sliding away and end up left to right. Guiding it so that you're sliding out in the direction you want to is the tricky bit. Doing it slowly for now, not so bad. Okay, so let's break it down with some numbers. We're going to go back 1, left over the lady 2, right over the lady 3, walking 4 and 5. Ladies go all the way round 6, and we're walking into 7. Guy's going to duck and turn 8, prepping 1, then we get the return number 1, so 2, return number 2 on count 3, sliding away 4, and we're done on 5. If you take a little bit of extra time here and there because it's a walk around, that's entirely acceptable. And if you're finding it a bit tricky, taking an extra count over it for now, again, not a problem. So let's try it. It goes like this. 5, a 6, a Pretzel Walkaround Swizzle. We go offer, raise the left, the right, walk in 1, 2, turn in 3, and walk, underneath, and prep, return 1, return 2, and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Really appreciate everyone who does that because it helps promote the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And also, it means you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.